Hello friends, welcome back to my channel infomorebox. In this video I am going to provide more information about Voltz brand hydraulic wire terminal crimper. You are going to see different model numbers of YQK 300 and YQK 400. Please see this video till the end so that you will get all the information about this product. Do you think this video is informative? Then please like and share this video and do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's start with unboxing of model number YQK 300 16 ton with 11 dies. The price of this hydraulic wire terminal crimper on Amazon is now showing 3590 rupees. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. 11 pairs of dies are made of hardened steel with chrome finish. The crimping range is 16 to 300 mm square, crimping force is 16 ton and weight is 4 kg. Rotation is 180 degree. Its head can be rotated 180 degree freely for narrow space working. A good choice for battery and welding cables, power wires, electric cables, etc. You can see the switch through which we can release the pressure. Now we are moving the handle to apply the pressure. Pressing the switch due to which pressure is released now. Now you can check out the different crimping dies range from 16 to 300 mm square on the screen. The next model number is YQK 316 ton with 12 dies. The price of this hydraulic terminal crimper on Amazon is showing 3790 rupees. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. Crimping range is 10 to 300 mm square, crimping force is 16 ton and weight is 5 kg. You can see 12 hexagon die pair sizes on the screen. Hydraulic release device. When pressure reaches to limited max, the pressure will release automatically to prevent overpressure. Next model is YQK 420 ton with 13 dies. Price of this hydraulic wire terminal crimper on Amazon is showing 6990 rupees. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. 13 pairs of dies are made up of hardened steel. Crimping range is 10 to 400 mm square, crimping power is 20 ton and weight is 4.5 kg. Moving the handle to apply the pressure. Press switch through which we can release the pressure. The last model number is YQK 420 ton with 11 dies. The price of this hydraulic crimper on Amazon is showing 6490 rupees. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. Crimping range is 16 to 400 mm square. Crimping power is 20 ton. Weight is 5 kg. Oil return switch which help in quick release. Crimping dies which range from 16 to 400 mm square. Solid steel material for long lasting use. Non-slip handle for firmly grip. Let's see some practical use of this device. This is all about hydraulic crimping tool. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.